This project is to deploy a dockerized Rails application to Amazon EC2. So, what are the prerequisites for this video? Is to we have to deploy a Rails application to Docker. For that, you have to install a Docker desktop into your local machine and create an account in the Docker Hub and write a Docker file and entry point.sh existing local machine and run a Docker file to create a Docker image, run container, and all the steps you need to do so that at the final you have to push your Docker image to a Docker hub, and then from the Docker hub you will have to pull it to the Amazon EC2. So for that is how I Dockerize my Rails application. And after Dockerizing the Rails application, I have to deploy the Dockerized Rails application to Amazon EC2 instance. So for that, I'll launch an instance. Take any Ubuntu, retire. This is all the default preset. No need to change this one too. And yeah, here you have to add a new port where you have to, after launching an application, you have to listen in this port. The local host should host here. The local host will be run in this port. That is the meaning of this. And this is the local host that you have to provide. Review and launch. Everything is right. Launch. So here you have to create a new pair of wiki. Before that you have to download it. See, it will be created as PEM file, then launch an instance, then view the instance. It's still loading. In this console, you can see that how many instances we have created and what is the DNS server. You can observe each and every time I launch, and there is a different DNS server and the IP address to host my application. Yeah, take a minute. So it has been launched, and there is a information given here. It is running and about IP address and all that. There are some predefined instruction given here. So this is the command to give the permission to the key. Just go run this PEM where your PEM folder resides. My PEM folder resides in download folder. So give the permission to the PEM. This is the command to log into your EC2 instance. Okay, here you have logged into your instance now. So there have to run dev build. That is, I have to download the dependencies according to my project. My project needs a Docker file to be created. So before that, I have to write a AWS YAML file. Just create AWS compose dot YAML file. Paste the information. Yeah, just check if the file has been created. Yes, and create the password file also. And I have to Remember your password. Yeah, I have to give the password of my Docker hub. Let's check if both the files are created. Yes, both the files are created. And then I have to run these commands, according to my dependency of the application to host. First, I'll run the sudo apt get update. Okay, that is a capital. Then sudo apt to give the smallest. So it's downloading all the dependencies which I have requesting now. Okay. The next command, I'll install the Docker because my application I'm running is the dockerized application. So I'll install the Docker, have to get install docker.io, have to give I. Then I have to log into my I have to log into my Docker. Then I have to log into my Docker. So this is a command to log into my Docker username, and this is the repository name of my Docker hub, and the password. See, this takes the password from the password file which I have written it. Yes, login successful. And yeah, this I'm pulling a Docker image from the 1 second. I'll show you the. This is where my Docker image resides. This is the repository name. This is the image name. So I'm pulling the Docker image. I'm pulling the Docker image from the Docker hub. So this is a command to pull my Docker image. Okay. Yeah, all the dependencies, all the files related to Docker, and everything has been pulled to Amazon EC2. So this is how we connect the Docker file to Amazon EC2. It take a while to build it because it is fetching all the files, dependencies and all. Yeah, it is done. Now the next step is we have to run. This is the port that I have given, and this is the port that I want my local host to launch. So the repository name, I'm just running my Docker image on the EC2. That's it. Okay. So uh, Yeah. So now I have to take the IP address of this instance, and that is where my application will be launched. 3000. Yeah, you're on Rails. See, just checking if my Rails application is working, and my first URL. Yeah, this is the application which is launched on the Amazon EC2 and Amazon EC2 instance. So just check. It's working fine. Yeah, it's working fine. See, the photo.id is also working fine. The second URL, it will come. Yeah, this is how we have to deploy and dockerize Rails application to Amazon EC2. Thank you so much.